Welcome, fans of Urhobo and supporters of Urhobo. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the dictionary database we have developed. This video is going to give a detailed guide on how to input words into the Urhobo dictionary. First, we click on the three dots on the screen, then click on Dictionary. Click on Add New Word. We have the word details and sense. Click on the drop down or the word detail. Now we input the word in the word section or word field. In the outer word field, we input Uroni. That's the word we're inputting for today. Now, if it's a new word, what classifies a new word is if it is a new word to the Guono dictionary or a new word to Urhobo. Then you click on the switch for the new word, then give a reason why or how you came about this word. So for the word Uroni, it's coming from two words, Uri and Oni, which means law and mother. So when we combine this, it gives us constitution. Next, we select dialect. The standard dialect for the word Uroni is Agbaro. Select the Agbaro. So that's what we have for the word detail. Now move on to sense. For sense, we input the part of speech in the Ekerota field. Since this word is a noun, we select Ode. Now, we don't have any related word, so we skip this section. If we had a related word, we would have filled the related word in the Okpo field and selected the strength of the word, how closely related it is to Uroni. But since we don't have, we skip. Now, we have the Oha field, which is the opposite of the word constitution. Since we don't have opposite for the word constitution, we skip that. Then we have no scientific name for constitution, so we skip that field as well. Now we input the UFO field. This is the phonetic transcription. We use dots instead of hyphen for the phonetic transcription to break the syllables of the word. Now once we are done with that, we move over to the UFIOCO field, where we input the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. This will help users to pronounce the word correctly. Now we move to the outer field, where we input the meaning of the word. Once we're done inputting the meaning of the word, we add the examples, the word in examples. So we can add as many as 5 examples, but it should not be less than 3. So the minimum number of examples we can add to the database is 3 examples. So now that we've put in the 3 examples, we move over to the Ibuebu field, where we put in the plural of the word. So we input the plural of constitution. Now the verb type field, we don't have a verb type for the word because the word is a noun. So we skip that, and that is all for the Urhobo section.